Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add variants on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser, search for shopify.com, and sign in your account. So once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the product section right here at the left side of your screen. Okay, now just go ahead and click on the add your products button. And then here, just go ahead and normally fill in this form right here. So the title of your product, description, media, pricing, just like that, product organization. So if you want to add variants, what you need to do is to scroll down and you should see the variant section right here. So now just go ahead and click on the plus sign or the add options like size or color. Then here you have four options. So just go ahead and choose whatever option that you want. So for example, the size. So you can just go ahead and type the different variants that you have. So for example, for small, you can put the another value right here. So medium, large, so large, extra large, just like that. So for example, you typed extra XXL like that, and you want to remove it, just go ahead and click on the delete bin right here. Okay, so here you can also add another option. For example, this time is the color. So you can just go ahead and type the color right here, black, white, red. Okay, so for example, that one. So now as you can see, I have the different sizes right here and the colors. So when you scroll down, you can just go ahead and put their prices, the stock available, and the on hand right here. So just go ahead and select all of these. And once you've select all of them, what you need to do is to just go ahead and let me just go ahead and put this something right here and click on the save button. Okay. So make sure you put their prices right here. Okay. So for example, the prices are different when it comes to medium red and large black, or medium white and medium red. Okay. But basically, that is how you add variants on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.